my name is Casper, welcome to Make More. This is the new Creality CR10S Pro. It has the bed leveling sensor, the auto bed leveling sensor. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not. It has some red parts. It has the awesome chassis of the Creality CRX. So it's just it's like a pro version of the Creality CR10S 3. But yeah, this box is super huge. It's too big to almost be on my table. It's not that heavy. It's almost like a normal CR10, but just in a bigger box. I don't know why, but that's can I see it? Yeah. That's how they ship it. Super protected. I think that's a part of the Pro version. Just a better version of the normal printer. That's it. Come up here. Come up here. Yeah. It's on the side of the printer now. There's nothing on the other side, but what's in the box? In the box you'll get a box more with the usual Creality stuff. USB, some Allen keys, and I hope some screws to assemble the new one. I don't know what. Oh, it's the new. It's like when you need to fine tune the printer. I actually don't know what the name of this is. If anybody of you know, please comment it down below. A lot of hex keys, a power cord for standard EU plugs, because I'm in Denmark and I need that. And some screws, so we can assemble it. The padding on the sides of the printer is like this big, the same size of my head, so you can ship this printer all over the world without damage of the printer. Also, I am not paid, I'm not given money or anything to say anything nice about Creality. I love Creality how it is. I take the Creality for what it is. It's not a $30,000 printer. It's a small size printer. It's quite good. But the Pro version, I am expecting a little bit more of the Pro version. The Creality, the new Creality, the Creality CR10S Pro, the base is new. The feeder mechanism is new. It's a Titan extruder, almost like Titan extruder. It looks like there's small like gears to pull the filament through. They got a new front to the printer because they need to put in the auto bed leveling sensor, stuff like that, and they got a new side fan. Thank you so much for putting on a bigger side fan. The old side fan was quite a... Makes sense? This piece you need to level the printer the first time, it looks like. This part is a piece of acrylic. It's exactly 10 millimeters high, so you can put it in here, or the print height. Call it what you want. The screws are put into the printer now because everybody knows how to put in screws. There was 4 screws, 2 in the bottom, 2 in the bottom. Standard stuff, nothing big there. So how do you actually plug in the rest of the printer? So the ribbon cable on the side goes into the ribbon cable holder on the side. Motor cables is in the bottom. One side okay, and the other side okay. So that's it. Let's power it up. The power's on. It's not that noisy, not yet. Oh my good God. Okay, and again it's in Chinese, not that big of a problem. Go into the menu setting, the middle one. Change it to English. The sound we're gonna take care of in the top, because that's gonna be annoying very fast. So the printer just looked like Creality CR10S on the display, but how about the leveling? Oh, we need the card now. And please remember not to put it up against the wall. Good idea. I will auto bed level. I will start to level the printer, and afterwards I will auto bed leveling. So yeah. Okay, that's a right way and a wrong way. I did it the wrong way the first time, so I need to do it everything again. Just read the manual. It's on page number 7, bed leveling part 2 also. It's a good idea. So I did a little bit of figuring out. I need to find out how this automatic bed switch was working. And it's quite nice and it's super smart. So there's a little screw on the top of it. It's a little small, like you need this small screwdriver for it. And you tighten it up or loosen it, and it's go closer to the bed. Then you need this card to put under the nozzle, and only the nozzle part. So when the nozzle only touch this, you need to stop it. But I would like my prints to stick a little bit better than 0.20. So I took this out and just leveling it down, just so it was touching it a little bit more. I like it a bit more tight. Now you need to measure out the bed, and when the bed measuring is done, it should be ready to print. And just take a minute to just listen to the printer. Welcome back. It's now 2 days later and I have my verdict on the Creality CR10S Pro. The price tag is 5,500 Danish crowns. I will put it up in US dollars here. I think it's worth the money. What's new? The new box is new. If you didn't see it. If you're new here, then the box is new on the Creality. It has like some weird kind of silent steppers inside of it, so it's super quiet when you're running it. The only thing is the fan, the new fan is so powerful that it's a little bit too powerful. The auto bed leveling system is freaking awesome and it's working every time, somehow. The new feeder has a geared feeder, so it's super powerful. It has like the filament runout sensor in hard aluminum body. And it could not be cheap to make stuff like that. It has the filament spool holder on the top. I don't like that, but it's a personal opinion. The printer is super quiet, and I don't know what they did to the bed, but the bed is running so silky smooth, and the head too, it's just so amazing. Is there any flaws on the printer? I actually don't know, because everything is just kind of nice on it. I would like the ribbon cable on the side to be like more, I don't know, like hidden away. maybe put into another color or something like that. All the other things are red. Maybe put a red sleeve on the ribbon cable or something like that. Make it more like it's a part of the printer. And there's not a lot of things to say about it. It's quite good. This is my personal opinion. This is what I am thinking of the printer. I've been working with Creality printers for, I don't know, so many years now. I'm not getting paid by Creality. I'm not getting paid by anyone. I'm paying my own videos, so it's quite expensive. So I'm not paid to say this is good. If I think this is bad, I'll tell you it's bad. And I think the price tag is worth it. This printer is much more stylish to have on your table. This printer is much more nice to have because of the geared extruder and all the nice features it has. I think this is a good printer. Maybe not to start with, but if you want something more than just the normal Creality, you can buy this and you're still getting a Creality CR10S. And you can get this CR10S Pro and you still have the same printer, but just much more high quality. And I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea to make some higher end products for maybe somebody that has a little bit more money. I think it's a good idea. But it's my personal opinion. I hope you liked this video. This video was about the new Creality CR10S Pro. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel. This is the new Creality CR10S Pro. I hope you like it. And as always, peace out. Oh yeah, and if you're still there, the video on the top, it's a Creality CRX. The video down below it, it's a video YouTube thinks you should see. So just enjoy. Peace out.